Hey guys, and a very good afternoon. Look at this beautiful blue sky November day. I've just come over to take this small walk around video of a very unusual, but in a good way, property, Villa Lotus, a bespoke 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom property. So I'm going to do it as a walk around tour as if we were coming to the house on a viewing. So you've got double electric gate access onto this very good sized driveway. And how about that for, this is a double garage cum workshop. Which, similar to the gate, is electric door access ×2. Absolutely great space, and again this can be adapted to provide additional living space if required, because there's plenty of room on the driveway for a motorhome, a carport. And this little door access here takes you straight into the kitchen, so coming back from the shops, straight indoors with the shopping. Now this is, I think, ticks a lot of boxes. People want spacious properties, 4 beds plus, and this ticks the box. They'd like to live on a community with some Spanish residents. Well, this is in the Los Llanos community of Arboleas, so I would say 40% of the villas on here are Spanish owned. Walking distance to amenities is a big thing for lots of people. Well, here you can walk to at least 5 bar restaurants, a very popular Saturday market, and you're 3 minutes drive from the centre of Albox if you turn left out of the community, and 3 minutes from Arboleas centre if you turn right. So very well located. Now this is virtually a new build house, as I say, architect designed, specific, and it's Spanish owned. Now things like the outside walls here, they can be finished and rendered, but that will be subject to the price negotiation. So you've got this stunning covered porch. Front door here is to my right. And then you've got this flagstone pathway, all non-slip, that leads around the length of the villa. I just come up here and then out into the back garden. I love this kind of vaulted ceilings here. Now current owners, young couple, Spanish with kids. So they've designed this part of the back garden, your child safety in mind. Screened off the swimming pool, which you can see, absolutely gorgeous, like an infinity pool. It's bespoke. Again, little kiddies play area sectioned off to the left of this. And then a wonderful covered kind of entertaining porch, which wraps around the property nicely. Now this is a lived-in home, you know, so it's not been kind of presented, glossed up for viewings and stuff like that. People are living here, they're working, got young children going to school. So lots of stuff around, but we can see past that. And at the end of this terrace here, that's a very handy kind, that's where all the pool pump is. You can hear that whirring away, so a little utility room. And the terrace wraps around. Double door access into the property's dining room, which flows through beautifully onto the kitchen, as you'll see when we're in on the inside. And then a little kind of sectioned off area. Guinea pigs and rabbits, could be dogs, whichever you fancy. Don't know if you can see little, I say little guinea pig, very big guinea pig sitting there at the end. You can see some of the surrounding properties just on the outside of the wall there. And there's a wonderful roof terrace, which we'll take a better look from there for you. You can see here all around the pool being artificially grassed. And I think the property does benefit from a nice view from this angle. Okay, let's go and take a look at the inside. So back round to this side of the property, and alongside the double electric gate, you've got this pedestrian gate. There's an entry phone system. You enter via the front door into this fantastic kind of atriumed hallway. You can see a spiral staircase there, but a very good quality one. And this leads up to the roof terrace, a good sized storage room and the 4th bedroom. But there's 3 bedrooms here, very big ones on the lower floor, which we'll see as we go around. So white laminate wood doors and wardrobes fitted throughout in all the bedrooms, as you'll see. So double door access into this beautiful, I suppose, L-shaped living and dining room. Full air conditioning throughout. There's a wonderful pellet burner in here, you'll see in a minute. Well, this is all operated via Wi-Fi and an app on your phone. So fantastic kind of double serving hatch, which goes into the kitchen, which we'll look at in a second in a bit more detail. The dining area, you saw the double doors out to the covered terrace poolside. So this was completed kind of under 2, maybe 3 years ago maximum. So all the windows virtually brand new. Of this coving around the ceilings as well, and you can see there, corner mounted, huge corner mounted fire burner, as I say, Wi-Fi operated. You just get a wonderful feeling of space as you're kind of wandering around. Lots of nice design features. So coming on out into the kitchen area. Very good sized utility room off here where you've got washing machines, tumble dryers, another fridge. There's a nice recess to my right in the corner there, storing all your ironing boards and hoovers and that sort of stuff. Fantastic. Double thickness black granite work surfaces, breakfast bar you can see there, and these run all the way around. And that's where you've got your door access going out to the garage, which you saw on the outside. I'm just taken by the generous sizes of the rooms. You know, this is a very, very good kitchen size-wise. Probably double the size of the average kitchen in villas. And it's such an integral part of the house. You can see through the serving hatch there out into the living area. The little recess I mentioned as I came in. Beautiful tiling scheme that runs throughout. I don't know if you can pick that up from the video. Then back out here to the living room. You can see the air conditioning above the door there. Let's go and look at the bedrooms and the bathrooms. So as you come in the front door here, to the right, you've got 2 of the kids' bedrooms. Both very, very good sized doubles. Full fitted wardrobes and banks of cabinets. It's not nice not to see just the pine wood wardrobes all the time, so these are very nice. Next door, the smallest bedroom on this floor. I don't know if you're noticing, but even the light, there's ample light switches, plug sockets, TV sockets, and these are all a kind of grey metallic colour rather than the standard whites. You can see there the windows, they're tilt and turns. They've all got fly screens on. Another bank of fitted wardrobes here. And there's a great quality aircon unit just above my head. Then right on over to the other side. This is where we have the master. But you're passing the first bathroom. What a great size this is. Full bath in here. Full suite in essence. And then coming on into the massive master, which has got to be at least 20 metres, I'd say, not including the ensuite. It's a king-size bed in here, and it kind of looks dwarfed. That's a rolling door that takes you into the ensuite. You've got a massive bank of fitted wardrobes. So we're running along the left here, and at the end there's a door that is complemented by a very good-sized walk-in wardrobe. And then the ensuite, double shower in here. Wonderful twin hand basins. Right, let's go and take a wander up to the upper level. You come up the top of the stairs. Again, very high ceilings up here, so you're not having to bend down. And then a very good sized fourth bedroom. No wardrobes in this one. And then door access off of here to a fantastic roof terrace. Let's take a wander. Bathed in sunshine here and see, taking the spectacular views. You could put an awning up here fairly easily. Patio sets, whatever you want, plenty of room. Or just some nice sun lounges perhaps, I don't know. And then just before we go back downstairs, you can see there's a very, very large kind of storage cupboard, almost like our equivalent of an attic, I suppose, here at the top of the stairs as well. So suitcases, all your gubbins can get stored in there. So there you have it. The spectacular Villa Lotus. All details will appear in the link below, but if you'd like to arrange a viewing or for further information, contact us as always, khalidahomes@hotmail.com, +34 950 430 763. We very much look forward to showing you around. Have a good day.